Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Arabic alphabets, Huroof al Hijaa. Like the letters in English, in Arabic, there are 28 huruf or letter which are called Huroof al Hijaa. These Huroof al Hijaa are the fundamentals for learning Qur'an. Huroof al Hijaa have shapes and sounds. Every letter has a shape or name and a sound. You can see the shapes and the sounds. Like in English, W is a shape and W is the sound. W is the shape and W is the sound. In Arabic, Huroof al Hijaa also have a shape like alif. This is the shape and this is the sound. Alif, alif. Today in lesson 1, we will do from alif to khaa. Alif, alif, alif. Ba, ba, ba. Ta, ta, ta. Sa, sa, sa. Ba, ta, sa. Ba, ta, sa. Ba, ta, sa. Jim, jim, jim. Ha, ha, ha. Khaa, khaa, khaa. Jim, ha, khaa. Jim, ha, khaa. Jim, ha, khaa. Look at all the letters again, shapes and sounds. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, khaa. That's all for today. Barakallahu feek. May Allah bless you.